all different parts of the all these are different parts of the chicken. None of it's cooked.
I'm nervous.
Very nervous. It's definitely probably one of my biggest fears. So let's try.
ささみってなんだろうね。
Sasame, chicken breast.
Okay.
もも、
Momo.
Chicken thigh.
Okay.
胸、
Mooney, that's also chicken breast.
ハート、心臓、
Heart.
砂肝、
Liver. Thigh.
Emo, cartilage. Some
Cartilage.
リバー。
liver.
There's 3 different sauces. Can't tell you exactly which one I'm gonna like. Probably whatever one takes away the flavor the most. But soy sauce. This is poji.
Ponzu.
Ponzu. This is soy sauce. This is ponzu, and this is a saltier vinegar sauce.
Yeah, here you
Guess
go.
I go for the chicken breast first. Man, it's already tough. Makes me nervous. Probably gonna do a little wasabi. And soy sauce, man. Soy sauce is my old standby. I don't know how many times I'll be able to chew it, but raw chicken, raw chicken.
How's raw chicken?
It's actually pretty good. I'm cheese. That is, you can't get this anywhere else in the world, and that's wow. That is crazy. Something that's almost like you can't chew it. You just chew it a few times and then you swallow it whole, basically. Those are tough. I'm making Kazuto eat those. He's a veteran chicken eater.
Raw chicken eater.
Veteran raw chicken eater. Just
The
the
sesame sauce.
Dip it in this.
This is probably the scariest one so far. It's
Very different.
it's liver. The sauce is thick. It almost looks like a lemon sauce, but no, it's not.
It's oil.
It's oil.
It's
Oil.
sesame oil. Come on, baby.
Good.
For America, man. For America.
Did you?
Oh, that's. Yeah, it's good. Aishi.
うちのやっぱ癖ないから噛みないもんね。
Oh, very slippery. It's,
だからちょっと分かるかもしれんけど。
the texture takes getting used to, but I mean, it's
Pretty good,
definitely
right?
Pretty good.
It's more than thought.